Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide your connections on LinkedIn. First of all, of course, you'll need a LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do is just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account and let's get straight to it. So let me just launch my LinkedIn first, as you should do, of course. And here all I need to do is just navigate to the settings by clicking at my icon at the top left corner here. Then all you need to do, just go and click at settings here at the bottom. Now of course you would like to look for visibility here. As you can see, here is it with an eye icon here. And here all you need to do is just look for visibility of your profile and networks section, then look for connections, which is here the fourth option. And as you can see here, allow your connections to see your connection list. Of course, if you don't want them to see it, if you want to hide your connections, all you need to do is just switch the toggle to on or off. Do whatever you want. Of course, if you want to hide, just turn it to off. If you want to show your connections, just turn it on. And as we said on this tutorial, we want to hide our connections, so let's just turn it off. And now nobody will be able to see your connections. It's just you, of course, and you will be all done. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.